Ever wondered if AI is just a hype or a real game changer in marketing? I was just like you, curious, spectacle, and a little overwhelmed by all the AI noise. In this video, I will share how I personally got started with AI in my marketing workflow, what I learned, and what worked, and how you can dive into AI marketing as well, even if you don't have any tech background. I have put timestamps down below so that you can skip to your favorite part of the video, but I highly recommend that you watch the whole thing. It's value packed. So let's start with my early marketing journey. So I am an international business student, and in my study field, we study a lot of case studies which are based on top brands here in Finland. So during the learning process in my early days, I was just used to hustle, no use of AI at all, just rely on my intuition and lots of manual hard work. I was kind of frustrated with my inefficiencies. I was trying to learn, write about ads, research, analyze the data, and I realized that it's taking over my life full time. I heard people talk about AIs like ChatGPT, Jasper for writing copies, brainstorming, and how they were automating their tasks. And I was like, yeah, I can do it too. I can maybe implement AI in my workflow. Let's give it a go. So stepping into AI marketing and using tools like ChatGPT was a light bulb moment for me. As I told you people in my previous videos that I am trying to build my own marketing agency called ArcInfini. So I started experimenting with that. I started incorporating ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas about my blog posts on my ArcInfini website, and I was shocked. The brainstorming session that I had with the robot that day was like mind blowing. It saved me 2 hours that day, maybe more. I don't remember properly. Then I had this light bulb of a moment again. I was like, wait, I can use this to generate emails, captions, and reply to emails with the help of ChatGPT. Because for me, replying to emails, checking emails was a big time consumer of my day. So if I could eliminate that, I would have more time to work on better stuff. So I would say AI didn't replace my creativity, it freaking supercharged it. Then after using it for some time, I ran into a common problem, a pain point that you might relate to as well when using AI, chatbots, and AI tools to generate content. So the common pain points that I faced while using it on a regular basis was like, is this AI content too generic? Can I trust AI with my brand voice? Then I was thinking, am I using the right tools? Because everything was kind of similar. Where do I even start without a tech background? Fun fact, the only tech background that I had was like playing games on my PC and building my gaming rig by myself. That's the only thing I knew. So the million-euro question is, how did I overcome them? So when it comes to LLMs, prompting is the key pillar. So I started learning about how to prompt properly, give the AI some context and a tone. The thing that we all should note down that the more context we give the AI, for instance, ChatGPT, the better the output is. And with the current model and after all these updates, it's so easy to provide context to the AI. Or you can just dictate in the chat because it has more control and I can maybe tweak a few things if I need to. After that, checking the outputs generated by AI, for instance, ChatGPT, on a regular basis manually and refining the prompts as we go further. I would say that helped me a lot, and now I feel like the AI knows exactly my tone and how I want it to write. So in this flood of AI tools, I am really picky about the tools which I understand and which I can afford, because it's really easy to lose track of our expenses when it comes to AI tools. and these are getting more expensive day by day. So we have to keep an eye on that as well. Now let's talk about the tools that changed the game for me. Number one would be ChatGPT. I use it all the time for everything almost. For copywriting, content planning, and customer service scripts. I like Claude more than ChatGPT when it comes to copywriting, but ChatGPT has a better set of tools. And if I can provide ChatGPT with the proper context and the proper prompt, the difference is negligible. And currently I can afford only one AI tool that can do a multiple array of tasks. So for me, ChatGPT does it. Then I use Canva's new AI features. They marketed it as Canva AI Magic Studio, if I remember correctly. So everything that has the word magic in Canva's tool suite is their AI tool, if that makes things easier for you people. So I use those to generate creatives for the posts that I make. And I am a heavy user of Adobe Photoshop. The AI capabilities on that is getting insane every day. So Canva Magic AI Studio plus Adobe Photoshop, these two supercharges my creative game for the posts. I also use these tools to generate creatives for my ArcInfini website. If you want a detailed video on how I use these tools in my workflow, please comment down below and I will start the work on it. These AI tools that I mentioned, they single-handedly saves me a ton of time. For me personally, time management is the name of the game. Because I'm working and studying and working on this side project at the same time. So I believe managing time by using these AI tools will grant me some edge. So AI shifted my whole strategy and game plan with ArcInfini. ArcInfini believes that local businesses doesn't need more work. They just need smarter workflows. I believe by leveraging AI, local businesses can hit it big and position themselves with the pros and compete with them with their marketing. So let's wrap it up and land the plane. Start small, learn every day. Use easy to use AI tools like ChatGPT. Don't overthink it, make it simple, and try to incorporate these AI tools in your workflow. Test and refine along the way. That's the best way to move forward, I believe. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're gonna like this video where I show how I use ChatGPT to grow my marketing brain and learn about marketing trends on a regular basis. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you amazing people on the next one. Till then, peace.